Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore VAT or sales tax settings for US selling, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore VAT or sales tax settings for US selling, begin by logging into your seller account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings option in the side menu. Click on Account Settings. Find the Tax Settings section. Select Edit to modify your tax preferences. Determine if you are enrolled in the Marketplace's tax collection program. If you are, ensure that the settings reflect this participation. If not enrolled, you will need to manually set up tax rates for your products. Access the Tax Jurisdictions section. Here, you can add new jurisdictions by clicking on Add Jurisdiction. Input the necessary details for each state in which you sell. Be sure to include the correct sales tax rate. If applicable, add any local taxes that may apply. Once you have entered all the jurisdictions and rates, save your changes. Double-check the entered rates for accuracy. If needed, use automated tools for tax calculations to streamline this process. After confirming the settings, navigate back to your main dashboard. Test the tax settings by creating a test listing. Check to see if the correct tax rates are applied. If everything appears correct, your VAT or sales tax settings are successfully restored. Monitor your sales over the next few weeks to ensure compliance and accuracy. Regularly update your tax settings as regulations change. This will help maintain the integrity of your sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.